Good morning, YouTube, and all my followers. I'm just going for a little walk. Saturday morning walk. See how much snow? See that big pile of snow over there? Hey. And there's going to be more snow today, they said. There's a snow warning in Canada where I live. And I just want to show you the river. I think it'll be the short video today, but I'll just show you the river here. If I could get close. And I'll switch it then. See the river? It's still open. It's open way over there. See, it's all open water. Open water, and then this is the river. See, it's starting to freeze and then break up and freeze again. You can't walk on it yet. See? Pretty soon. It's not that cold. It's minus 11, but when it gets cold, you can walk across the river from this side to that side. I don't see nobody even driving around. Look. Oh, there's a vehicle going across the bridge. There's not too many people out, but see, the water's open under the bridge too still. See? But it's kind of frozen. Yeah, it's frozen there still. Whoops. See? Under the bridge. Open water all over. And more open water over there. See? But it breaks up. See all the chunks on the river? It freezes and breaks up. Yeah. I'll switch. There's me. See, look. That's from eating too much chocolate and chips. I get pimples. Is that funny? Oh. Getting pimples. Eating too much junk. Yeah. Put my glasses back on so I can see. There. See, that's the river. And you got a close up where it cracks up. And I'm gonna go that way. I'll go that way up the hill there. I'm gonna go to the store right away. See what I can find. Okay. I think that's my short video for today. I'll just go around. Okay. Panoramic view. Okay, that's all, I think. Because I have to go shopping and that. No birds or nobody around. Okay, bye. Everybody have a rest of this Saturday. Have a good Saturday. Okay, bye.